These days, there are many different brokers and a variety of different brokerage accounts that you can create to start investing in the stock market. However, people may not know that creating a brokerage account is not the only way to start investing. Over the recent years, there has been an uprising of over 100 different and new investing apps that allow people all over the world to start investing their money into the stock market and into stocks and ETFs. In our fast and technology-based lives, many people can't find the time to sit down and look at charts and graphs and really understand the stock market and see which stocks they would profit the most out of. This is where investment apps come in. Investment apps make it really easy for the user and many people around the world to invest in stocks and take their money from their bank account and put it into the stock market. Basically, investment apps are a perfect solution for people who can't afford to manage their own portfolio and make their own decisions in the stock market. In this video, I'll be going over the best investment apps that are out as of right now and be giving you the best choices to choose from so that you can start putting your money into the stock market and start making a good profit. The first app that I have for you is called Betterment, and Betterment is one of the newer apps, but it's still one of the largest and most popular apps in the market right now. Betterment is known as one of the best investment apps for socially responsible investing. And if you don't know what socially responsible investing is, it's basically investing in companies and stocks that align with your views. So if you don't support one certain political group and the company does support that political group, then you might not want to invest with them. And if they do support diversity and they make a positive impact on pollution and lower pollution and do basically good stuff for the community and the world, then that's called socially responsible investing, which is basically investing in companies that you believe are good and align with what views you have. Betterment also provides professionally managed portfolios using a wide variety of ETFs. And you can also tell the app your risk tolerance and how fast or slow or how long you're looking to stay in the market and how long you want to have your money back or make a profit in, and it adjusts the investments for you. So if you're 30 years old and you're looking to take the money out when you're 60 and when you're done working and you're retired, it'll adjust your investments for you. Also, the management fee for a Betterment account is very cheap at 0.25%. So basically what that means is, say you have $10,000 in your account in stocks and in your portfolio, so it'll take 0.25% as a fee every year. So that would be approximately $25. So you would be paying approximately $25 if you had $10,000 in your portfolio in a Betterment account. Betterment also allows you to set goals such as a safety net or planning for retirement, and also includes no account minimum, so you don't really need any minimum to start investing in a Betterment account. The next app that I have for you is called Robinhood. And with Robinhood, it has no trade commissions or no trading fees. So basically what this means is that you can trade in the stock market without having a fee or without putting in any extra money. So basically for free. You can trade things such as stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrency, options, all for free. It also has one of the most easiest and easy to navigate apps out of all of the investment apps that make it a perfect fit for beginner investors in the stock market. In the app, the search bar allows you to see how your investments are doing and if you're profiting or losing money off of an investment. And the app also keeps up with current news in the stock market and keeps you informed with what's happening and what's going on so you can make the best decisions. The app also makes it really convenient for the user to place trades and buy or sell shares in a company, and all they have to do is put in the number of shares they would like to buy or sell, swipe up, and the order is going to be on its way. And with Robinhood, the first $1,000 worth of funds will be instant deliveries, so there's not going to be any wait time for those first $1,000 that you have in funds. The next app that I have for you is called Acorns, and Acorns is regarded as the best worry-free savings app and also as the best app for student investors that are in college or high school and are just starting out in the stock market. Acorns is on the older side of all these new and recent investment apps that have been coming out, but it's still very popular due to its gamified experience, and many people still use it to invest in the stock market. Now, one thing that sets Acorns apart from all of its other investment apps is the ability to round up your purchases. So basically, if you were to buy something for $10.50, it would round up to $11, and then it would invest the difference. So it would invest the 50 cents that were in between $10.50 and $11, and it would take that 50 cents from you and invest it into your investments. Acorns basic account costs $1 per month, but you have the option to upgrade your account to Acorns later, which would be at an additional cost of $1 per month, so you would be paying $2 per month. With Acorns later, you can set up individual retirement accounts such as Roth IRAs, traditional IRAs, or SEP IRAs. Acorns later also gives you the ability to roll over your 401k or your IRA into the account. And also with Acorns, you can sign up for their debit card, which is FDIC protected and is an additional cost of $1 per month. With this debit card, you have the ability to earn money for shopping at specific places, and you also have the ability to invest that difference that you save or you earn in money and invest it into one of your stocks or into a new stock in the stock market. The next app that I have for you is called TD Ameritrade. And this app is regarded as the app with the best customer service and support. So if customer service and support is really important to you, I would recommend going with this app for your stock market investing. This app is one of the oldest investment apps, but is also one of the most popular apps right now. And it also allows you to have an advanced trading platform with no additional cost. This app doesn't need any minimum investment, but it charges 6.95 per trade that you place. This app also has the best asset options and allows you to choose from things such as stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, foreign currencies, ADRs, futures, and much more. This app also has commission-free stocks and ETF trades, as well as option trades with no base fee. And it also has 24/7 customer support and customer and technical difficulty support. So you can contact one of their agencies or go to one of their branches at any time. And it has over 364 branches in the United States. The last app that I have for you is called Ally. And this app is regarded as the best app for beginners who are beginning in the stock market and don't really know anything about the stock market and really need help learning and developing and investing their money. Ally Invest in the Ally mobile app also offers a low fee brokerage, which also includes things such as trading for stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds with no fees. Now, like I said, Ally is one of the best investment apps for beginners, and that's because it has no minimum required balance for anyone, and it also has a very easy and simple investment app and investment platform that anyone can navigate and place trades and buy stocks on. Ally charges a 50-cent flat fee per options contract and $20 for broker assisted trades, not including the commission fee. It also charges $9.95 for no load mutual funds. With Ally, you can do banking and investing in one app, and it also is a dedicated Forex trading app, so you can do that with the app as well. To round it all up, Betterment, Robinhood, Ally, Acorns, and TD Ameritrade are the 5 best investment apps that anyone can use right now. These are some of the most popular apps out there right now that make it super easy for people to invest and have wide varieties of features per app. I hope I was able to narrow down your decision for which investment app is the best to use right now and which app you should be using to invest in the stock market. You can also do more research using various websites on the internet to search what each app offers in detail and see which one is a better fit for you. If this video helped you out and made it easier for you to choose an investment app, I hope you can subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up and a comment for which investment app you chose. It'll really motivate me to keep going and keep making videos for you guys, and I hope I was able to help you out. This has been Arham. Thanks for watching and have a great day.